Moonshine mixology is all about embracing the spirit's rich history and bold flavor, while exploring new and exciting combinations. Transform the traditional margarita with the bold flavors of moonshine. This moonshine cocktail balances the spirit's intensity with the tartness of lime and the sweetness of agave. Infuse the classic mojito with a moonshine twist for a refreshing and invigorating drink. This moonshine mixed drink combines the spirit's raw edge with the fresh flavors of mint and lime. Perfect for summer gatherings, this moonshine recipe pairs the spirit with fresh berries and lemonade for a sweet and tangy treat. This moonshine cocktail is perfect for fall, combining the flavors of apple cider, cinnamon, and moonshine for a warm and comforting drink. Experiment with different ingredients, seasonal fruits, and creative garnishes to make each cocktail uniquely your own. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or a cozy fall gathering, these moonshine recipes will elevate your drinking experience and leave a lasting impression on your guests.